Plan to Eat. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Plan to Eat is a recipe management and meal planning software that's been around for quite some time, primarily targeting home cooks and families seeking to streamline their weekly food preparation. Its core features revolve around three main pillars: recipe clipping, meal planning calendar, and automated shopping list generation. Let's delve into each. The Recipe Clipper allows you to import recipes from virtually any website using a browser extension, automatically parsing ingredients and instructions. This is generally accurate, but occasionally requires manual tweaking, especially with poorly formatted recipe sites. The drag-and-drop meal planning calendar is the heart of the software. You can schedule recipes onto specific days, assign them to different meals, and visually organize your week. It's intuitive and easily allows for adjustments based on your schedule. The magic really happens with the automated shopping list. As you add recipes to your calendar, Plan to Eat compiles a comprehensive shopping list, grouping ingredients by category for efficient grocery shopping. Who is Plan to Eat made for? Ideally, it's for individuals or families who cook regularly, follow recipes closely, and desire a structured approach to meal planning. It's particularly useful for those trying to reduce food waste, eat healthier, or simply save time on weeknight dinners. Now let's talk strengths. The software's biggest strength is its robust recipe import capabilities and seamless integration with the calendar. The shopping list generation is a massive time saver, and the ability to scale recipes up or down is a fantastic feature for adjusting portion sizes. Additionally, Plan to Eat allows for collaborative meal planning with family members, making it ideal for households with shared cooking responsibilities. However, it's not without its weaknesses. The interface, while functional, feels somewhat dated compared to more modern meal planning apps. The mobile app, while improving, still lags behind the web version in terms of functionality and speed. Furthermore, it lacks advanced features like nutritional analysis or integration with fitness trackers, which some users may find limiting. A significant consideration is the subscription model. Plan to Eat operates on a paid subscription, which can be a barrier for some users compared to free or freemium alternatives, although those alternatives often lack the depth of features offered here. The recipe parsing, while generally good, isn't perfect, requiring manual intervention more often than desired. In conclusion, Plan to Eat remains a powerful and feature-rich meal planning tool for those willing to invest in a comprehensive solution. Its strengths lie in its robust recipe management, intuitive calendar, and automated shopping list generation, making it a valuable asset for serious home cooks seeking to organize their meals and streamline their grocery shopping. However, its dated interface, limitations of the mobile app, and subscription cost are important factors to consider when evaluating whether it's the right fit for your needs.